What sound does a duck make? A duck. No, the duck. What sound does a duck make? Huh? I know that's a bus. Good girl. Now, what sound does a monkey make? What sound does a duck make? Quack. What sound does a duck make? What sound does a sheep make? What sound does an elephant make? What sound does an elephant make? Oh, that's the elephant trunk. You don't know the sound. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. What sound does a dog make? What sound does a duck make? What sound does a sheep make? What does sheep do?